Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you CapCut AI video editing, a comprehensive guide. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So just get your clip that you want to add right here. For example, we have this clip right here. So we're gonna use AI to use here in CapCut. So all you have to do is select your clip and then you'll have to go to this button. It's called Remove Filler Words. So you press that and it will do this. So basically it will identify all the words and transcriptions that it will do. So as you can see right here, you can even skip to the clip and it will remove all the pauses right here. As you can see, it has identified pauses throughout the video and even repeated words. You can use filler words too, and here you go. So if you want to create a compound clip with this, all you have to do is press delete. So right here, but of course, you can only use this with CapCut Pro, so you can go back to edit. So here, you can use the transcription part for free, I'm pretty sure, but when it comes to the pauses and repeats and the filler words, it will have to use your CapCut Pro. So you might want to subscribe to CapCut Pro if you consider this a daily part of your editing world. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.